A cloudburst was reported near the holy Amarnath cave shrine in Jammu and Kashmir. Reports said 2 state disaster response force teams are at the site to tackle the situation. No casualty or injuries have been reported in the incident so far, as no pilgrim was present at the location. At least 6 people have died and over 30 have gone missing after a cloudburst in a remote village in the Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. Flash floods in the region have damaged several structures. Indian Army has launched a rescue operation as most parts of Jammu and Kashmir have been receiving heavy rainfall for the past few days. Union Minister Jitendra Singh has asked the people residing along water bodies to remain vigilant. Over 76 people died and 59 went missing due to heavy rainfall in the Konkan region and western parts of Maharashtra. The Konkan region, spanning parts of coastal Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa, witnessed unprecedented rainfall. The impact of floods was devastating, with standing crops and other livelihoods of people destroyed on a vast scale. Mumbai, Thane, Ratnagiri, Sangli, Raigad, Sahara, Kolhapur and Sindhudurg Nagar were the worst affected areas in Maharashtra. As per IMD, Maharashtra was hit by one of the worst floods this year. At least 9 tourists were killed and 3 injured in a landslide in Himachal Pradesh, Kannur district. Another landslide occurred on Vikas Pantagakti Road in Shimla, though no casualties were reported. A car parked alongside the road was damaged after heavy boulders fell on the vehicle. Earlier, multiple landslides caused by recent rains occurred near the Basteri region. Several parts of Goa, including Sattari and Bicholin, reeled under the flood-like situation. More than 4,000 houses were inundated as the water level of some rivers rose due to heavy rains over the past few days in the region. However, no loss of human life was reported. According to IMD, Goa was hit by its worst floods since 1982. At least 9 people died and 10 others were reported missing due to flash floods at Dharamshala in Himachal Pradesh. As per State Disaster Management Authority, around 142 roads were blocked due to floods in the region. A cloudburst in Himachal Pradesh's Dharamshala triggered a flash flood in the region, causing damage to the properties in the Bhagsu Nag area. Several viral videos show the cloudburst blocking the national highway near Jhakri in the Rampur area of Shimla district. On February 7, 2021, a major disaster struck Uttarakhand's Chamoli district after a portion of the Nandi Devi glacier broke off in the region. The sudden flood in the Alaknanda River triggered widespread panic and large-scale devastation in the high mountain areas. 2 power projects, NTPC's Tapovan Vishnugad Hydel project and the Rishi Ganga Hydel project, were extensively damaged due to flash floods. Over 70 bodies were recovered in search and rescue operations, while several people were reported missing.